Hi guys, hope all is well. I'm just going to present today a bit on how you would go about applying for an oral and maxillofacial surgical residency in the United States. Uh, it's not that I'm switching from trying to get into the United Kingdom to do an oral and maxillofacial surgical residency. It's not that at all. It's just that I actually was taught by a periodontist who was United States trained, and I found she was very knowledgeable, very approachable. Her approach to education was very impressive, so I felt like I should just see what are the other possibilities or other options out there and try not to broaden my focus to the United Kingdom, because you never know, immigration policies change for countries all the time. So just bear with me, okay? So as you know, or for most persons who are interested in oral maxillofacial surgery, there are two types of programs in the United States. One of them being a 4-year program and the other being a 6-year program, with the 6-year program incorporating an MD into the program. So I've been looking at lots of websites, but I really zoned in on one of the websites that offered what I would say the most information, which would be the American Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons. So on that website, they actually have an application process, I think, for the advanced standing program for international dentists. And this is a way for you to apply to programs, usually 2 years, 2 to 3 years. It can be longer, they said, for you to do this 2-year, what I would call remedial or American acclimatizing programs to, get your skills up to the American standard. So one thing I found interesting, and I highlighted it on my paper, was that doing this 2-year program does not guarantee or does not make you have automatic licensure in a particular in any county or any state. So you're eligible to take the clinical board exam for whatever country or for whatever state you want to practice in, but it does not necessarily mean that you're automatically licensed after doing this 2-year program to work in the United States. This program must be done by an international dentist. So my focus is international dentists. So you as an international dentist want to go to the United States to work, you have to do this 2-year program. 2 years, the program is 2, or it can be more than 2 years, and each year costs $90,086. That was the amount that I saw. That was the situation alone. After this, from what I understand, you apply to the postdoctoral dental match system via the national matching system. It's similar to the matching system for American doctors and doctors outside of America on a whole. And you're allowed to be matched to certain things like the general practice residency, the Canadian general practice residency, the American general practice residency, oral maxillofacial surgery, orthodontics, pedodontics, periodontics, prosthodontics, dental anesthesia as well too, and the American education graduate diploma or something, AEGD, I think that's what it is. Okay, so you apply directly via this match system to the programs that you're interested in, and you submit your rank order listing to this national match system, and then via a match algorithm they choose your match, or they match you to wherever you need to be matched. So there's some statistics that I found. So from the match for 2018-2019, 3,205 persons applied to the match, and of that only 1,077 did not match. So the others did match. For oral and maxillofacial surgery specifically, 223 matched. Of the 223, 212 were from US dental schools, and 10 were from Canadian dental schools, and 1 was from an international dental school. So I'm actually continuing to Google some of the programs that offer spots to international dentists, because not all of the programs will offer. I think there was one in Maryland, and I think one is in Florida as well too. But that's all the information I have so far, so I'm sharing with you. So just keep posted, and I'll do some other videos with the information that I get as I get it. Okay.